These are the new Beats FIT Pro. These are the Apple H1 headphone chip. Now it's compatible with Apple and Android devices. But when I unbox this and I open it and I connect it to my phone, like an Apple phone, I just have to, it will pair automatically. I don't have to sync it. I don't need to search for it on Bluetooth. That's one of the benefits of getting the H1 chip here. Now, what does the Beats compare to? I think these are the wireless version that have a really good wing that's meant to cut and suddenly compete with the Powerbeats Pro. So the Powerbeats Pro are pretty much the ultimate gym headphones because they really loop around your ear and it's hard to remove them. And that's what you want. If you're sweating and you're running in high activity, these are gonna be some of the best headphones you can buy. But the Beats FIT Pro is the new edition where they're trying to marry not only the comfortability, but also the portability. So these are going to be substantially smaller without the over-the-ear hoop. We're taking them out, and these are sweat and water resistant to IPX4 that have active noise canceling with transparency mode, and they come with that comfortable, secure fit wingtips. And that is one of the major differences between the Beats FIT Pro and the Beats Studio Buds. The Beats Studio Buds will be very light. They come with active noise canceling with the transparency mode, but they will not come with this configuration. Also, this has a custom acoustic platform which delivers powerful and balanced sound. And here, let's take it out of the box. You get two distinct modes. You're gonna get the active noise canceling and the transparency mode. Here we've opened the case and this is what they look like in box. I got the gray. They come in they come in the Beats black, the white, the gray, and I think like a lavender purplish shade. And this is what the actual case is. Here they are. And if you take them out, they look super streamlined. You can see how they look. They have, it's a little bit open frame, but they do go securely in your ear. And let's try them in ear. And now that I've taken them out, let's see also, it automatically wants to pair. And if they're too small for your ear, inside the box, you'll be getting access to your charging cable, and you have different ear tips that can make a better secure fit inside your ear if you need bigger or smaller. This is gonna be in the universe of your Apple AirPods because it's the same company. Beats, Apple makes Beats, Apple makes Apple. Here it is, it's gonna give you 6 hours of listening time and up to 24 hours combined. And this is what it looks like on your screen. So you're gonna have your noise cancellation mode. You can turn that off, transparency. You have automatic ear detection. You're connected to this. Now, spatial audio, see and hear, this is super important. So hear immersive three-dimensional audio from supported video that follows the movement of your iPhone. So depending on where your iPhone is, it's gonna change how the audio is playing in your headphones. So that's super cool because spatial audio is gonna give you much more immersive compared to stereo. Okay, so let me explain why I think these might be some of the best earbuds to come out from Apple. It might be my favorite Apple pair of headphones ever. So they're better, in my opinion, than the AirPods. They're better than the AirPods Pro. And if you're asking me why, I think it comes down to three things. It comes down to fit. So the fit of these is exceptionally comfortable. I mean, these are really comfortable because of how they fit, and in terms of this new design, they stay in your ears longer because it has that wingtip similar to what you find on your Bose. Second, audio. I have played these on fully maxed out volume. I played these with my EQ, on my phone that I can set myself on bass heavy music, even treble and bass heavy music. And these, I do not hear any static. I don't have any feedback. There's no fuzziness. It is a really crisp audio sound across the entire spectrum, well balanced at that, well balanced. And they do have a little bit of that signature Beats bass, which I approve of. It's kind of like the Sony extra bass. Very, very nice here. And finally, they come with push buttons. So not just gesture control, but you have push buttons. So I can control them instead of having those kind of like ghost swipes or anything that's like accidentally you swipe it. You have to push it. So this is kind of like a button. So I just press play. So I'll show you 1 to play or pause, 2 to go to the next song. 3 to go back to the previous song. If I want to turn it on transparency mode, long press. And if I want to go back to active noise canceling, long press back. So very easy to use. I love these kind of push buttons. They make life a lot easier instead of the ghosting. And you can see how comfortable they are in my ear. I mean, these also will be using USB-C to charge, which is much better than using, because that's like something you can get anywhere. So USB-C to charge, big improvement over lightning cables or anything proprietary. So the Beats are going to be able to give you 6 hours of battery life just inside a fully charged earbuds. And the case, and if people are like wondering like, oh, I wish they made the case smaller. Well, this case is going to be able to give you an additional 18 for a combined 24 hours of battery life. Now, these are going to be serious contenders for best headphone of the year, in my opinion, because we've been waiting for a long time for a product other than the AirPods that pair easily with an iPhone, that comes with that H1 chip, that has that sound profile that we expect from Beats, and is a really good value. And this is hitting all marks. So check it out. This is the Beats FIT Pro, otherwise known as, in my opinion, the Apple AirPod Pro Dominator. Thanks guys, bye.